Hi, I'm Tammy Honaman, and I work at Interweave. I learned about the need for masks pretty early on in this current crisis, and I was fortunate to be able to get some elastic. And so I was able to go right into production as soon as the elastic arrived, and I was able to make the two-layer pleated style with just the simple loops. And that has made it so that I could do a pretty high volume and support some care facilities that were not on the front line, but really just need basic supplies. And then I've recently, people have kind of heard about what I'm doing. So they've asked me for masks for them personally. And so what I've done there is I've actually expanded to doing a three-layer mask. You can kind of see. And then inside that, you can add a filter, which then offers you another layer of protection. And I'm really just so thankful to be able to do this to help support as many people as I can possibly help with what I'm able to create here in my own home studio. And then also, really having some fun bringing some bright, cheerful colors to people's days. Here you are, you get to wear something that's really bright and sunny in an otherwise sometimes gloomy situation. So I'm really very, very, very thankful to be able to do that and to help as many people as possible. And that is my mask story.